So you're interested in getting into crypto and you've seen the kind of returns that people have gotten in news and other articles that you may have read. And you think you're going to take a little bit of money and turn it into a fortune in a year. It ain't going to happen. If you're getting into crypto now, you've probably exhausted every other opportunity. And this is probably what happened when you tried to invest for the first time. What's up, man? How you doing? Hello, welcome to E-Trade. I was just wondering if you could set up an account for me, a trading account. You do know you can just set up an account online, right? That's why we're called E-Trade. We just have this open just for publicity's sake. Yeah. I got you. I know, but I got a unique situation, so I just wanted to know if you could help me out. All right, then. What is your question? So I really want to get started on this stock trading thing. So can you set me up an account with $300? The minimum account balance for a trading account is $2,000. You do know that, right? See, that's the thing. I don't got that kind of money on me right now, but I think if I can make it with trading, maybe I can make a bigger account. Sir, I can't help you with that. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. No, wait. Hold on, man. I really need your help with. Please. Come on, man. You really gonna leave another light-skinned brother from another mother out to try like this? Get out. So now you're looking around trying to find different opportunities, and crypto seems like the best thing because it doesn't have as many barriers. But the same rules still apply. Day trading is never going to make you rich in terms of not just your finances, but your life in general. Even if you make enough money to have a comfortable life day trading, you're going to be spending all your time doing that. You won't have any family life because you'll be stuck up in a room somewhere looking at all the latest trades. And you won't have time to yourself. So, what's the best way to do that, you may ask? And why should I listen to you? Why shouldn't I start with $150 and start trading crypto? Other people are doing it. Well, let me just tell you my journey first, and then maybe you'll see where I'm coming from. I started off as a regular dude working at Chick-fil-A like literally 99.9% of all teenagers in America. It seems like that's the first job wherever you go. So I did that, and after a while, I left, and my last check was $150. So I used that to get into crypto for the first time. I had been shown this crypto called Chainlink, which I will talk more about if you want me to. My dad, who you may know as BSG the Millionaire Maker, put me on it because he wanted me to get into the crypto game. He explained to me what it was first and then gave me the decision. I could have been like, you know what, Dad, you do that for yourself. I don't really want to get into all this boring number stuff. But I made the decision to get into Chainlink at $2. I put the whole 150 in there because what else was I gonna do? Buy an Xbox? No. So I put the whole $150 in there at $2, and after a while, it got up to $19, and he asked me if I wanted to sell it, and I said yes. So that's a 9.5x from $2 to $19. So that would give me $1,425 at this point. Then I invested in something called PancakeSwap, which was one of the first DEXs, which was an emerging market at the time, as well as DeFi in general. It was a pioneer in the Binance space when it came to that. And one of their services was offering different tokens if you staked their token, which was cake. It was literally a pancake with bunny ears on it. Stupid at the time, but their product was sound. So I invested in that. I think the price at the time was somewhere around 30 to 50 cents, somewhere within that range. I know it was less than $1 when I got in, and over years I accumulated cake through getting interest. When it started out, it was like, not even gonna lie to you, 100% plus. I'm not going to tell you the real numbers because you won't believe me, but it was at least 100% for a lot of the time. It went lower as the project got bigger because that's how DeFi works, but it was good times. I thought it was going to last forever. It didn't. The team got greedy, but Cake went down a lot. It had gotten up to as high as $30, $40. I probably should have sold then, but at the time, it was hubris. I'm like, hey, this thing is making me money. The token keeps going up. I'm going to ride it until the end. Well, I did, and I ended up losing a lot of my gains. Well, at least the all-time gains that I had. I still got out with more than what I came in with. When I got out, the price of Cake was $5. So just based off of that alone, if I hadn't made any interest, that is almost a 17x from where I got in, between 30 and 40 cents. So that's at least $14,000 in just the token going up. All of the interest I got in Cake tokens and the other tokens that I sold for more Cake, I would say was at least 150% on top of that. So that would give me a minimum total of $35,000 at this time. But I could have had a lot more. So then after that fiasco, I was bummed out. Cake was my main investment for years. It got me into so many other tokens, but I always came back to that. So now I was looking around trying to find safe stuff. I put most of my money in Bitcoin and BNB. So I knew BNB was a good exchange and the token has went up since then, but I saw it as the safest option. And of course, if you're in crypto, you know Bitcoin is the big dog, so that was always going to be a safe option. But then I found something called 100 Coin. Now, I absolutely hated meme coins before I saw 100 because I thought they were bringing the industry down. Every other meme coin I had seen was just a picture of some animal that didn't do anything, yet millions of people just wanted to ape all of their money into it, like that meme. Shut up and take my money. Like, why are you investing in a picture of a dog? I still don't understand that. But this 100 Coin thing had some utility. The website was kind of weird looking. They had a funny little intro. But what brought me in was the fact that they had something called proof of wait. W-A-I-T. Proof of wait. Like, wait your turn. So basically, the way they work, when you buy 100, you have to wait 100 hours before you can buy any more or sell it or transfer it somewhere else. And what that basically teaches you is to be still and go play some games or something. Like, stop looking at the computer every 2 seconds and go live your life. And that was such a refreshing philosophy to me that I decided to put a sizable investment into 100. I didn't put everything I had, but I put $25,000 in it and left $10,000 out just in case I wanted to invest in something else or just keep it in Bitcoin to allow it to rise up. And this is when the market cap of 100 was at $2 million at the time. And right now, the market cap is over 11 million, which would give me a more than 5.5x on my $25,000 investment. Add that to the $10,000 that I kept out, and that's about $150,000 at the time of this recording. And I loved the fact that it's forcing you to hold, because if you look back, every major investment that people have made a bunch of money on, they held it. If you got Bitcoin like 5-6 years ago, you're living good right now. If you bought any stock a long time ago and held it, you could be a gajillionaire right now. Apple stock, Amazon stock, pick any one of the big five. If you invested a little bit of money, excuse me, back when they came out and just waited instead of getting out too early, you would have
a lot of money, enough to live your life the way you want to. So that's the point of this channel. I'm going to find opportunities for you and teach you the best way to do finance, which is with patience. Your life is not going to change overnight. It shouldn't have to. If you've been surviving this long, you can continue to survive and build up your future. When you're not working anymore, you can retire comfortably. Even if you don't want to retire. If you want to keep your job and not be pressured to give up 60% of your check as soon as you walk out the door because of all the expenses you got, then you can do that. And that's what Crypto Walk is going to be all about. It's going to be about getting rich slow. That is the motto. Because look at any other financial guru or great investor or billionaire, and you'll find that they got their fortune over years, if not decades. In the case of Warren Buffett, he's been doing it since the 60s. So 5 decades, that can't nobody else say that. So that's it from me. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. And I'll be coming with more videos and shorts. Hopefully you guys found this entertaining a little bit at the beginning. And I'll try to keep you guys on your toes as much as I can. That's all from me, Crypto Walk, signing out.